Hey pet lovers! Does your home smell less than fresh? Love your furry friends, but sometimes that love comes with a certain wet dog that just won't quit. Or maybe you're tired of battling fleas, mites, and ticks that just won't go away. You're constantly cleaning, vacuuming, yet those pesky parasites always seem to come back for more. Stick around, because today I'm revealing 10 genius methods to remove pet odors and parasites completely. These are the secrets professional cleaners use, and they're easier than you think. Plus, at the end of the video, I'll share a secret trick that will leave your home smelling mountain fresh. You don't want to miss it. Listen, your dog has an accident on the rug, and you grab the nearest bottle of air freshener, hoping to erase the evidence. But here's the thing, you're not actually solving the problem, you're just masking it. Those odor molecules are still there, lurking beneath the surface. That's where enzyme cleaners come in. These powerful cleaning agents break down the odor molecules at their source. They eliminate the odor completely, leaving your home truly fresh and clean. And the best part? Enzyme cleaners are safe for your pets and your family. You can use them generously on pet accidents, carpets, furniture, even those stinky spots in the backyard. Trust me, once you go Enzyme, you'll never go back to those old-fashioned air fresheners again. So ditch the cover-up and go for the knockout punch with enzyme cleaners. We all know that laundry is a never-ending battle, especially when you share your home with furry friends. But here's a secret weapon that will change your laundry game forever. Hot water. The key to conquering pet odors and parasites in your fabrics is cranking up the heat. Washing your pet's bedding, blankets, and even your own clothes in hot water is crucial. Aim for a temperature of at least 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the magic number that will fry those flea eggs and send those odor-causing bacteria running for cover. Always check the care label on your garments. Some delicate fabrics might require a gentler touch, but for most items, especially those that are heavily soiled or have come into contact with your furry friends, hot water is your best friend. Make hot water washing a regular part of your routine, and you'll be amazed by the difference it makes. Your clothes will smell fresher, your home will be cleaner, and you can finally say goodbye to those pesky parasites for good. You know that feeling when you've just vacuumed and your home looks and smells amazing? It's like a breath of fresh air, right? But here's the thing. When it comes to battling pet odors and parasites, consistency is key. Vacuuming once a week might cut it for some households, but when you share your life with furry friends, you need to step up your game. I recommend vacuuming at least every other day, especially if you have multiple pets, or if your furry friends are heavy shedders. And don't just go over the high traffic areas either. Get into those nooks and crannies, under furniture and along baseboards. Now let's talk about your secret weapon, a HEPA filter vacuum. These filters are specifically designed to trap even the smallest particles, including dust mites, pet dander, and pollen. Diatomaceous Earth Mother Nature's Parasite Eliminator. Fleas, ticks, and mites are the uninvited guests that nobody wants. But before you reach for those harsh chemical sprays, let me introduce you to a natural, safe, and highly effective alternative, Diatomaceous Earth. DE is a fine powder made from the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms called diatoms. It's a silent assassin when it comes to those pesky parasites. DE's microscopic sharp edges cut through the exoskeletons of fleas, ticks, and mites, causing them to dehydrate and die. To use DE, simply sprinkle a thin layer on your carpets, rugs, pet bedding, and even in your yard. Let it sit for a few hours, then vacuum thoroughly. Make sure you choose food-grade Diatomaceous Earth, as other types can be harmful if inhaled. Bath time with a twist. Turning a chore into a spa day. Bath time is an essential part of keeping your dog's coat clean, healthy, and free of those pesky parasites. Using a gentle, pH-balanced shampoo specifically designed for dogs is crucial. Incorporate an anti-parasitic shampoo into your routine. These shampoos contain special ingredients that kill fleas, ticks, and mites on contact, providing an extra layer of protection for your furry friend. Let's take bath time to the next level with a secret weapon, neem oil. This natural oil, derived from the seeds of the neem tree, has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties, including its ability to repel insects. Adding a few drops of neem oil to your dog's shampoo can help to keep those parasites at bay, while also soothing any skin irritations. Always dilute neem oil before use, and consult with your veterinarian to ensure it's appropriate for your dog's breed and skin condition. Essential oils done right. A symphony of scents for a pest-free home. Essential oils can be a powerful tool in your fight against pet odors and parasites, but only if used correctly. Their sense of smell is far more sensitive than ours, and certain oils can be toxic to dogs and cats. Consult with your veterinarian before using any essential oils around your pets. Some of the best essential oils for repelling parasites and freshening up your home. Lavender, known for its calming properties, is also a natural flea repellent. Cedarwood oil has a woodsy aroma that's pleasant to humans, but repulsive to fleas, ticks, and moths. Eucalyptus oil is another potent insect repellent that can help to keep your home pest-free. Always dilute essential oils heavily before use around pets. You can add a few drops to a spray bottle with water and lightly mist your furniture, carpets, and even your pet's bedding, making sure it dries completely before they use it. Air purifiers, the unsung heroes of a fresh-smelling home. Air purifiers are the guardians of your indoor air quality. They work tirelessly, 24/7 to capture and eliminate those invisible enemies: pet dander, dust mites, pollen, mold spores, and even those lingering cooking odors. To truly combat pet-related allergens and odors, you need a purifier with a HEPA filter. HEPA filters and air purifiers are incredibly effective at trapping even the tiniest particles. Look for an air purifier with a carbon filter as well. Carbon filters are like magnets for odors, absorbing and neutralizing those unpleasant smells that can linger in the air. Investing in a high-quality air purifier is one of the best things you can do for yourself and your pets. So, if you're serious about creating a home that's not just clean, but truly healthy and fresh-smelling, an air purifier is a must. Nutrition, the inside-out approach to a healthier, fresher pet. A healthy pet is a happy pet, and a happy pet is less likely to have skin issues, digestive problems, or those lingering odors that can drive us crazy. A high-quality diet for pets should include high-quality protein sources, such as meat, poultry, or fish. Healthy fats, like those found in fish oil or flaxseed oil, are essential for skin and coat health. A balance of carbohydrates, such as brown rice or sweet potatoes, provides energy. Fruits and vegetables, in moderation, offer essential vitamins and minerals. Avoid processed foods, table scraps, and excessive treats, as these can contribute to weight gain, digestive issues, and even those unpleasant odors we're trying to avoid. Apple cider vinegar, the natural odor eliminator and flea repellent. Apple cider vinegar is a natural powerhouse, packed with antibacterial and antifungal properties. Apple cider vinegar acts as a natural deodorizer, neutralizing those unpleasant odors at their source. To create your own odor-busting spray, simply mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Lightly mist this solution on carpets, rugs, upholstery, and even your pet's bedding. Apple cider vinegar isn't just great for eliminating odors, it can also help to repel those pesky fleas. Fleas are attracted to the warmth and moisture of your pet's skin, but the acidity of apple cider vinegar creates an environment that's less hospitable to these unwelcome guests. This pantry staple is not just for salad dressings, it deserves a place in your arsenal. The secret weapon calling in the professionals for a fresh start. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, those stubborn odors and persistent parasites just won't quit. That's when it's time to call in the professionals. Professional cleaners and pest control specialists are the experts in their field, armed with the knowledge, experience, and specialized equipment to tackle even the toughest challenges. Professional cleaners have access to industrial-strength cleaning agents and equipment that can reach deep into carpets, upholstery, and those hard-to-reach areas where odors and parasites like to hide. They can also identify the source of persistent odors, such as pet accidents that have seeped into subfloors or behind baseboards, and provide targeted solutions to eliminate them completely. It's about recognizing that sometimes we need a little extra help, a fresh start to reset our homes and create a truly healthy and hygienic environment for ourselves and our furry companions. And there you have it, folks. 10 powerful ways to eliminate pet odors and parasites, leaving your home smelling fresh, clean, and And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart pet tips every week. Thanks for watching. Your pets and your nose will thank you too.